Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write 10 blog posts in 10 minutes using ChatGPT. Now I'm going to get started as quickly as possible because I want it to be as close to 10 minutes as possible. And I'm going to be using ChatGPT 4, but you can use GPT 3.5 if you don't pay for premium. The quality of the content may be slightly lower, but it should still work just as good. And there are, of course, limits to using GPT 4 as well, as you can only do 40 messages every 3 hours, but that will be absolutely fine. So I've already written out my prompt down here, and I will show you this is the blog that I am going to be creating the content for. This is marketing-based content, how to make money online, growth hacking, digital marketing, graphic design, AI, and things like that. So I have written, I run a blog aimed at people who want to make passive income online, about side hustles, marketing, SEO, content creation, e-commerce, AI, and other similar things. Come up with 10 ideas that I could write about my blog. For each idea, suggest 3 different titles. So all you're going to want to do is change who your blog is aimed at and the type of content you create to make it so that it fits your blog. And then once you've done that, simply hit enter or send, and it will begin creating your blog ideas. So here we can see the 10 blog post ideas are being created, and it is giving us 3 title ideas for each blog post idea. So we can let it go ahead and create these now. Okay, so it has generated 10 blog post ideas, each with 3 different possible title options. So we can see we have chatbots, personal branding, dropshipping, cryptocurrency, creating and selling online courses, using social media to boost your e-commerce sales, the rise of voice search and its impact on SEO, building passive income streams with affiliate marketing, SEO strategies for 2024, and leveraging AI tools for content creation. Now what I'm going to do is create a blog post from each of these ideas. So I'll select the title I like the most from each of them, and then we're going to have it write each blog post one by one. So let's start with number 1. Let's have a quick look here. No, I don't want that one. Maximizing your content strategy with AI tools. The future of blogging. No. Okay, so we're going to use this one here. So this will be our first blog title. And there we go. So all I've said is write a comprehensive article, maximizing your content strategy with AI tools. Make sure to make it engaging and optimized for search results. Now we could be a bit more specific. We could say the amount of words we want to use, and we could also ask it to implement specific keywords. And I have actually just added another sentence to this prompt. I've just said the blog post should include an introduction, main body, and conclusion. So then it knows the structure to write for the blog post. And I'm going to copy all of this because we're going to use this as a prompt template for each of the articles that we're going to write. Okay, so we have number 1. This is the first article. Let's hit send. And this will be the first blog post written for us. Now we may need to make changes to a few of these blog posts because they might not all be perfect straight away, but here we go. We have the title, the introduction here, and then it's just going to go ahead and write the rest of the article, which is absolutely fantastic. So that will be 1 out of 10 completed. Now, when you actually post this onto your website, you won't want to include the structure. So as you can see, it says main body. You don't want to include that in the actual article, but this is just letting you know what is what within your article, which is being written. So here we go. This is number 1. That will take a few minutes or a few seconds. And then once that's done, we will go ahead and do the second one. And there we have the conclusion. So article number 1 has been completed. That's fantastic. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to article number 2. So we'll paste in our prompt template. And all we're going to do is change the article title. So let's go ahead back up here and go to number 2. We have SEO strategies for 2024. I think this first one is perfect. So let's copy that and replace the previous article title. And there we go. Hit send. Now I will say you may want to make a couple of changes and make it so that it is perfect for your blog before just posting it, but this will speed things up for content creation massively. So here we go. We can see the second article is being written. And here is the conclusion. It's just doing the last few words. There we go. That is completed. So that is article number 2 done. And this looks much more comprehensive to me than the first one, which is absolutely fantastic. Now we're going to go ahead and do the third article. Building passive income streams with affiliate marketing. And I think out of these 3, I like the third one. But first of all, we need to copy the prompt again and paste that in there. And then I will go ahead and copy that third title and paste it into the prompt down here. And then we're going to hit enter. Now it's going to write the third article for us. So we are onto the third one out of 10. That is absolutely fantastic. There we go. The third article has been completed. Let's scroll back up to have a look at this. So some of the niches include pet products, e-learning, financial services, remote work, eco-friendly products, and health and wellness. So that is that one done. That's article number 3. Now we're going to go ahead and copy the prompt again. And we're going to scroll back up and get the 4th article here, the rise of voice search and its impact on SEO. Now I'm going to use the second one and I'll replace the title in here. And then once again, hit send. There we go. That is article number 4 completed. We have the conclusion. We have the voice SEO strategies here. And then we have the introduction at the top. Let's copy the prompt again and go ahead and get the 5th article title. Here we go. Using social media to boost your e-commerce sales. I think the first one sounds fantastic. Social media marketing secrets for e-commerce success. So let's copy this in here. And then ChatGPT will begin writing the 5th article. I think it was the 5th one. Yes, so there are just 5 more left after this one. Here we go. As you can see, this is already going along nicely. There we go. That is the 5th one done. Now let's go up and find our 6th article. Now I do need to copy the prompt first of all. Okay, so we have done this one. Now we're going to do creating and selling online courses. And I think that the 3rd one will be best. Let's paste the title in down here. There we go. And hit enter. And that is absolutely fantastic. We can let that work. And I'm going to decide the next few now. I think for the next one, we're going to do the do's and don'ts of cryptocurrency investing. After that, we will do the first one for dropshipping, starting your dropshipping business, a beginner's guide. And then for number 9, we will, I think the first one sounds good, building a personal brand that stands out online. And finally, for the chatbots article, we will do the 3rd one, the future of online shopping, integrating chatbots for better service. But let's go ahead and see how this article is coming along. So we have the title, the introduction, and it's now writing the main body here. And then of course it will do the conclusion. Fantastic. That is another article completed. Now this may be getting a bit repetitive, so I might just skip through the last ones quite quickly. But as you can see, this is another awesome article that's been written. And there we go. Article number 10 has been completed. So we have used ChatGPT to write 10 articles for our blog. So we have this one here, which is chatbots in e-commerce enhancing the customer experience. And then above that, we have building a personal brand that stands out online. Then we have starting your dropshipping business, a beginner's guide. the do's and don'ts of cryptocurrency investing, how to market your online course for maximum profit, social media marketing secrets for e-commerce success, voice search SEO, how to prepare your site for the future, the top affiliate marketing niches to watch in 2024, SEO in 2024, trends and strategies for ranking higher, and finally, maximizing your content strategy with AI tools. So we have 10 articles that have been written for us. This may have taken just over 10 minutes, but this has been pretty quick in my opinion for 10 articles. You may want to make some changes. In my opinion, I wouldn't add the main body text in each of these, and I would read through each of these articles to make sure they are correct factually, and also to implement keywords and to optimize them for search engines, make a few changes to make sure they are actually relevant for your audience, and there you go. You have 10 good quality articles ready once you have made those changes to be published. So that is all for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've learned something new, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.